Okay, so we're using the Festool Domino XL to join these two slabs together to make a table. This slab here is going to be what would constitute the legs. And so we're going to be using the 14mm tenons to join them together just to give it a lot more structural strength. So when we glue it, that it holds secure. So we're just marking these lines so we have a reference for the domino machine so that all of our holes will line up perfectly and everything will fit like a glove. All right, so we're gonna clamp our slabs together so they don't move. And we already have our machine set. We're using 100mm dominoes, so we're gonna go into this piece a little further than this one because this is only about 2 inches thick. So we're gonna drill the holes initially at 65mm. And then with this little slide, we're gonna move them back to 35mm when we drill straight down. So we've got our holes drilled now. Hopefully they line up, which I'm confident that they do. We'll put some tenons in and see how things fit. Edge is nice and smooth there, lines up perfect. And we'll just throw some glue in there and clamp it and we'll be done.